Good morning, all of us. Myself, Nikhil Kumar, and right now I am mentoring you to how to fill the medical certificate of IIT Madras that you need to submit it. And I hope you got this mail, something like this, where you have to submit your mail medical certificate. So I hope you see the medical certificate PDF where how you have to fill it. First, you have to print the first 4 pages of the PDF. The last one is not important. If you don't print it, not important. The first four is the much important. If you print out your medical certificate should look like this. Like this is the mine, and you see here I wrote my name. Here is the parent's name. Here is the date of birth and the age, gender, residential address, your email address that registered with the firm. Not Do not write the email that provided by the IIT Madras. You should write the email that you given at the first while registering at IIT Madras. Where you and next you put a secondary email ID. If you have another email ID, put yours. If you don't, keep your parents' email address. Take the BS in Data Science and Application and IIT Madras registration number. See, many of the students did a mistake. They write the registration number that given while you filling the form, but not. This medical certificate should be submitted after IIT Madras given you the email ID. The first of email ID should look like the 16F 1000 and imagine 515. Like if you see something like this at the DOC, then this one is the registration number. You don't fill the registration number that given you the form. You have to fill like this and make sure to you fill something like this. And here you have to put your name and did a signature, put the date, and this is the important where you if you want you can fill it with your own, but in my case this was filled with the doctor that I consulted. This is the doctor name Purnima Kumari, and with the date 22/1/2026, my age, my height, weight, vision. Okay, many of you did one more mistake. Like I seen in the groups, they are talking about to put vision is like uh, okay, like they want to put write vision okay, but no, you have to write vision 6 by 6. That the correct way to write the vision. But you have to see hearing. You have to write normal, uh, impaired. You have to leave it as it is without doing anything. You have to leave it as it is. Put the date. Put your name. You have to take fit for admission. Put the BS in data science if you are from BS in data science. Otherwise, you put in BS in electronic engineer, electronics, or either if you see here like there is BS in electronic systems or direct entry for diploma or BS for data science and application. I was in BS in data science and application, so I put this one. And then this is the most important page, and the last page you should make sure that you don't did any major mistakes to you have to change it, or if you did any major mistake you have to do again all the things that you did. First of all, here is the doctor name and the qualification, and here is the registration number that the doctor only knows his registration number, so she or he should fill the form. The hospital or clinic name. In this situation, mine was a government hospital, and this was the name. And this is the most important, like the stamp. This is the very important stamp, and this is the very important page. So this is how you have to do. And when you go for this is the mail. And right now I am offline, that's why I am not able to open it. If you click on this Google form link, it will redirect on a new page where you have to scroll down and you have to option to submit the uh, PDF, and you have to make these 4 pages into a PDF, and then after you upload the PDF where you mentioned your new email ID that was given by the IIT Madras, and then you have to submit it. And once you submit, and then all set, you are done, and your medical certificate was submitted, and you are free. Now you did your medical submit. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.